What's up? So today I'm going to be sharing with you what is a bridge page and how is that going to help me create more sales in my business. Stay tuned. One thing that can tell me instantly that you are losing sales or that you have not been trained properly on how to build a funnel in your business is when you are missing a bridge page. So what is a bridge page exactly? So a bridge page is essentially the page that you have between the capture page and between your sales offer. So you may have a capture page, you may have a cheap lead magnet or free lead magnet that someone's hopping on and accessing. So it may be like a free PDF. So you're going to capture their email on the capture page so that way you can actually give them their gift, but also so you can have their email so you can continue to make your offers to them and provide value to them. So after they leave that lead page, a lot of people have it go straight to an offer or go straight to that lead magnet. And that's not what we're going to want to do. What we're going to want to do is after we capture the lead or capture the customer, they're going to submit their email, they're going to go to the following page, which will be your bridge page. And that's where you can set up a page. It may just be a little video screen, and it's just a chance for you to be able to have a personal one-on-one with the customer, have a personal connection with them, kind of explain a little bit more of you, gain their trust, tell a little bit more about your business, and then you can actually begin to, one, just build that relationship, and that could just be it. It could just be, you just building that relationship before they actually hit your list. But two, what you can do is you can start pre-framing them and warming them up after you've built that relationship with an offer on that page. And then you can give them an option to where they can go to the next page and then have an offer. It will automatically increase your percentages of sales because you already have their attention right there, and then now you're actually warming them up, versus if you're just going to add them on your email list and then just already start shooting them emails. Because what they're going to do is they're going to get their little free version and they're not really going to be that invested unless you are actually trained at copywriting and very good at email marketing. But regardless, even if you're good at that, you are missing out if you do not have a bridge page. So I highly recommend, I have a link down here for a free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. If you are not already using ClickFunnels, you're missing out. If you own a business, you don't have ClickFunnels because they have made for you pages and extensive training on exactly how to have click and play, drag and drop, customizable templates to get a capture page, a bridge page, and ultimately to your sales page. So check that out if you're a business owner, and give me a comment if you have any suggestions for people that are building bridge pages. I would love to answer questions you may have on how I do it or how I like to set up my bridge pages. And also give this a like if you enjoyed this. Go ahead and share it if somebody else you know is not capitalizing on this. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next video.